Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to update your Netflix app on your Google Smart TV without any stress to fix whatever Netflix issue you might have on your Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to your phone, your TV settings. So once you get to this TV settings, click on OK. And the next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on apps. Click on apps. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on see all apps. So at this point here, you want to make sure you look for Google Play Store right here. However, if you cannot see Google Play Store right here, proceed to show system apps. Click on that. So click on show system apps. Then here you go. Then continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on OK. Open up Google Play Store and open. And it's going to take you to apps in your Google Play Store on Google TV. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed to the Google account. So for that, come to the top right here, slide to the sidebar right here, go ahead and click on OK. Then proceed to manage apps and game. Click on OK. Then proceed to update right here. Open up update right here, and here you go. Then scroll down right here, and then go ahead and click on Netflix. And then here you go. What you have to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you slide to the sidebar right here under the update. Go ahead and click on update. Click on OK. All you have to do right here is to make sure the update runs completely. After successful updates, go ahead and hit on open. And you are done. You'll be loaded back to your Netflix account right here. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.